There's no point in exporting if you don't get paid for your products. And to get paid, you need to choose the right payment method to minimize risk while also accommodating your buyer. I'm Kari Crane, editor of Shipping Solutions International Trade Blog Passages. In this video, I'll explain how to use cash in advance. But first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our basics of exporting videos, sharing practical advice for exporters and importers. There are 5 primary methods of payment in international trade. Some are more secure for the exporter, others for the importer. The key is finding the right balance. Today, let's consider cash in advance. With the cash in advance payment method, exporters can eliminate credit risk or the risk of non-payment since payment is received before the buyer assumes ownership of the goods. That makes it the most secure and least risky method of payment for exporters. But that makes it the least attractive option for a buyer, since it can cause cash flow problems and concern that the goods will never be sent. So it's often not a competitive option for the exporter, especially when the buyer has other vendors to choose from who offer more attractive payment options. If you do decide on cash in advance, there are 4 typical methods to choose from. 1. Wire transfer. An international wire transfer is the most secure and preferred method for exporters to receive payment in advance. It is commonly used and almost immediate. 2. Credit card. Exporters who sell directly to foreign buyers may select credit cards as a viable cash in advance option, especially for small transactions. Exporters should check with their credit card companies for specific rules on international use. The rules differ from domestic use. 3. Escrow Service. Exporters may select Escrow Service as a mutually beneficial cash in advance option for small transactions, with importers who demand assurance that the goods will be sent. Cross-border escrow services are offered by international banks and firms that specialize in escrow and other deposit and custody services. Escrow places funds in the hands of a trusted third party until a specific set of conditions are met. The escrow fee can either be paid in full by one party or split evenly between the two. 4. Payment by check. Getting paid by check is the least attractive cash in advance method. A check drawn on the importer's account and mailed to the exporter results in a lengthy collection delay of several weeks to months. That delay defeats the original intention of receiving payment before shipment. When should you use cash in advance? These factors make it a good option. The importer is a new customer and has a less established operating history. The importer's creditworthiness is doubtful, unsatisfactory, or unverifiable. The political and commercial risks of the importer's home country are very high. The exporter's product is unique, not available elsewhere, or in heavy demand. The exporter operates in an internet-based business where the acceptance of credit cards is standard. Under the right circumstances, using cash in advance makes sense. But if you have concerns, watch our other videos to learn about other methods of payment, or download the free trade finance guide to compare all 5 methods. You'll find a link below. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Watch for more videos sharing real practical advice about export documentation, compliance, and the latest changes affecting exporters. You'll also find hundreds of articles about every aspect of exporting on our blog, shippingsolutions.com/blog. You'll find a link below.